Hello, good afternoon. We are meeting with two students from the industrial engineering from UTQ, Brigitte and Paola from the 8th semester. We are going to discuss important topics of your career. To begin with, can you tell us a little about the career field of industrial engineering?
Sure, thanks for inviting us. As industrial engineers, we can work in many different places. For example, in the factories, in the production area, and logistics, handling the shipping and receiving of product and quality, ensuring the quality of the product, and also in project management and consulting.
Yes, that's true. We can also work in sectors such as technology, health, energy, and banking. Our background allows us to adapt to different jobs and roles.
How interesting, what do you think are the main advantages of your career? How interesting, what do you think are the main advantages of your career? How interesting, what do you think are the main advantages of your career? How interesting, what do you think are the main advantages of your career?
One of the main advantages is that we can make companies more efficient and productive. We learn how to find problems and creative, effective solutions. In addition, we have a complete view of company work.
Another advantage is that we combine technical knowledge with management skills. Not only do we understand the technical side of process, but we also develop a skill in leadership, communication, and teamwork. This makes us very well rounded professional.
Very valuable advantage. Now, we do you think English is important in your career?
English is fundamental because many of the best practices, research, and technologies are in English. Also, in a globalized world, companies work with people from different countries, so knowing English gives us more job opportunities and help us keep up with industrial development.
Exactly. Also, many tools and programs we use are in English. Sometimes we have to communicate with suppliers or customers from other countries. English is essential to participate in international conference, course, and certification that enhance our training and professional development.
Speaking of study time, how much time do you dedicate to your studies and how do you organize your time?
The career is demanding, the key is organization and knowing how to prioritize. I use an agenda to plan my activities and make sure I fulfill all my responsibilities.
I also try to make the most of my time in class and study a little each day so that I don't accumulate work. I also
Finally, what is the best thing about studying at UTQ? Finally, what
The best thing about studying at the UTQ is the academic environment and the support from the professors and classmates. We have access to well equipment, laboratories, and exchange programs that allow us to broaden our horizon. In addition, the university is very connected to local industry, which facilitate internships and employment opportunities.
I also try to make the most of my time in class and study a little each day so that I don't accumulate work.
Okay, thank you Brigitte and Paola for sharing your experience I wish you much success in your careers and future.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.